right, you blow Charlie's.
Hey, Dad, will you take that balloon string and put it on right?
All right, don't blow yet. We gotta sing. Ready to sing?
Ready? Ready, Charlie? Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlie. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Ready?
Good job, buddy.
Alright, that's Charlie's. You get your own. I'm giving that to him. Let's see what he does with it.
Every time I take a picture of his mom's arms.
I know. You're in the
All right, buddy.
Okay, you ready to watch this mess? Wait, no, watch.
We're going to watch Charlie's never had
What's he
it
going to
before.
do with this cake?
Is it good? Is it good, buddy?
Do you think he likes it?
What is this stuff? Is it good?
You guys can have one. Here.
Want a
Want
cup
your
of cake
cupcakes
with
with
your
your
name?
name?
Sorry, she's taking one of him. Sorry.
I got a cupcake.
Okay.
I need these.
Oh, there's ice cream too. Mom bought me a pound ice cream.
Oh,
Yay!
Yeah, let's just wait a sec. To make sure he doesn't do anything silly.
And there's cake in there too.
Hey, John, try it.
Dig a little further.
Is that yummy? Is it yummy?
Dig a little further. There's cake in there.
That's funny.
it is funny.
Really funny.
It's a yummy. And I think I like all the attention. I think I do.
Like nobody's paid attention to me for 1 year.
I think I have
If
a
you get this, then it will be all ice cream.
Have a fork if you'd rather.
Oh, I just got a good one.
Yeah.
Let's take a smile. That's good. It was a good one.
John, there's a fork if you don't want to use your fingers.
Get it, buddy. Get it. Ow.
He's having a fine time.
Mmm.
No, that's not
Oh,
right.
there goes the other hand.
Okay.
Dig in there.
Mmm.
Dig your whole face in there. Dig your face in there, Charlie.
Mmm.
Butt in there.
This will be on videotape.
Your mom was
Dig
she
your
did
butt
that,
in there.
John. Your mom stuck her face in because she didn't like to get her hands dirty. She had her hands up in the air and her face in the cake.
You just cried. You got it all over you and just cried. You wanted out of your chair. They'd take you and clean you up.
Yeah, that's about right. That fits.
Here, Charlie.
Oh, there we go. Look at it.
There you go, buddy.
Oh, no what?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah.